Something quietly dropped from Google this week. Most people completely missed it. Nano Banana 2 just landed inside Gemini, and the results surprised me. After putting it through test after test, I can tell you this is not a minor update. This is a full category shift in what free image AI can do. If you create content, do freelance work, or run a small service business, pay attention right now. Hey, what is up, everybody? Paul James here. I help freelancers, consultants, and small business owners use free AI tools to build real service income. No bloated software subscriptions, just leverage. Today, Nano Banana 2 from Google is taking center stage. What this tool just did to the image generation landscape is something I did not see coming. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you go high level, because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Let me tell you why this matters. For a long time, professional quality AI image output had a real price attached to it. The free and entry-level tools had a ceiling, flat lighting, generic compositions, a certain artificial quality that clients have learned to spot immediately. That perception hurt deliverables and made it harder to charge real money for visual services. The workaround most people used was stacking multiple platforms together, generate in one tool, touch it up in another, format it somewhere else. That fragmented workflow drains time and creates inconsistency. Inconsistency is the enemy of a service business. Here's where things start to get interesting. Google already had a two-tier image model system inside Gemini. The original Nano Banana sat in the standard category, solid but with a clear ceiling. Then came Nano Banana Pro, which pushed quality significantly higher. Pro was the model you reached for when a client needed something polished. Now Google released Nano Banana 2. Here is the part that changes the math. It is a standard tier model, not Pro, free access. And in testing across dozens of prompts, it does not just beat the original Nano Banana. In most categories, it matches or beats Nano Banana Pro outright. Nobody expected that from a non-Pro release. I want to introduce a concept I call the output ceiling flip. Most people build their workflows around what they assume a free tool can do. Usually that assumption limits them. The output ceiling flip is what happens when a free access tool raises its ceiling into Pro territory. When that happens, the people who recognize it first get a real head start. Nano Banana 2 just triggered an output ceiling flip in image generation. That window is open right now. Here's what the improvement actually looks like. When you generate a complex scene using Nano Banana 2, the depth and realism are noticeably stronger. Shadows fall correctly. Reflections carry actual logic. Fine textures hold up under close inspection. The images feel considered rather than assembled. Most people never realize this part. The comparison that tells the real story is Nano Banana 2 versus Nano Banana Pro. In visual complexity, lighting quality, and overall realism, Nano Banana 2 holds its ground. It often takes the lead. Google appears to agree with that conclusion. Go into Gemini right now and look at your model options. Every mode routes you to Nano Banana 2. Fast mode, thinking mode, Pro mode, all of them. Nano Banana Pro has been stepped aside. That is a major signal about what Google believes this model can do. Now, I want to be straight with you because some nuances are worth knowing. Where Nano Banana Pro still shows its value is precise instruction execution. Handed a complex multi-part prompt, Pro tends to parse each detail more accurately. Nano Banana 2 can occasionally miss one element in a layered request. That is true even when it produces a stronger visual overall. So the gap is not zero. It just shifted in a direction that helps most real-world use cases. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. Every new model release felt like starting over. Figuring out what was actually useful versus what was just hype took time I did not have. Here's the twist almost nobody talks about. Nano Banana 2 now pulls from real-time web search during image generation. When you ask it to create something location-specific, it has actual visual reference for that place. It is not guessing. It is building from real-world imagery pulled in during generation. For a freelancer doing local business content, that changes things. What is location-accurate imagery worth to a regional restaurant group? What about a real estate team or a local tourism brand? That is a real billable service category that just got a lot easier to deliver. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. Let's talk about where Nano Banana 2 actually makes you money. For freelancers working with local businesses on social media content, this tool removes a major cost. There is no longer a need to pay for a stock photo subscription. You generate location-grounded visuals, promotional graphics, and editorial imagery in one free tool. Businesses used to budget several $100s for a batch of visual content. Now they can work with a freelancer at a better price point. That creates real opportunity if you position yourself correctly. Your tool cost is zero. Your margin stays intact. Nano Banana 2 does the heavy lifting. For agency owners, the aspect ratio handling is a real workflow upgrade. Nano Banana 2 follows direct aspect ratio instructions. Need a 9:16 for a reel? Say so and it delivers. Need a square format? One line in the prompt. That responsiveness removes a formatting step from your production cycle. Faster production means more clients at the same overhead. For content creators building a YouTube channel, the thumbnail workflow is worth paying attention to. You upload a photo and describe the layout you want. Nano Banana 2 produces a finished thumbnail concept in one pass. That is a capability that used to require design skills or a contractor. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into real income. For total beginners, here is the accessible entry point. Nano Banana 2 lives inside Gemini, which is free to use. No separate account, no expiring trial, no monthly fee. You open Gemini, click Create Image, and start working. The barrier to entry is essentially zero. Let me give you a concrete picture of how this plays out. Imagine a freelancer who is just getting started with content services. A small fitness studio owner reaches out. They need fresh visuals for social media and a few promotional graphics for an upcoming class launch. Using Nano Banana 2 inside Gemini, our freelancer generates on-brand workout environment imagery. They design promotional graphics from scratch. They format everything for the platforms the client actually uses. The cost of delivering that project? Time and knowledge of how to prompt effectively. The studio pays for skill and service, not software. That is the output ceiling flip working in a real business context. Here's something else worth building into your offer. The infographic capability inside Nano Banana 2 has improved significantly. You can now generate structured visual explainers with accurate text, multiple steps, and logical layout. For coaches, educators, or consultants, an infographic service is easy to package and easy to price. One client, one recurring need, one free tool delivering the output. That is a clean, scalable offer. The text translation capability is also notable. Nano Banana 2 can generate image-based content with text in multiple languages. That opens up a niche that most freelancers have never touched. Position yourself to create multilingual visual content for businesses with international customers. You are operating in a space with almost no competition and genuine demand. That is an angle worth thinking about. This is where everything clicks. One more thing to pay attention to. The editing capability inside Nano Banana 2 has improved over the original model. If a generated image needs a correction, describe it in natural language. Nano Banana 2 will act on it directly. That responsiveness reduces the back and forth that slows down client projects. Fewer revision cycles means faster delivery and a better client experience. Now think about what Nano Banana 2 Pro will look like when Google releases it. The standard model already outperforms the previous Pro version across most tests. That trajectory points somewhere very interesting. The ceiling for free access image generation is moving, and it is moving fast. Imagine what your next 30 days look like after you have this workflow dialed in. You have a free, capable image pipeline inside a tool you already use. It produces client-ready visuals without a single paid subscription in the stack. That is a real business advantage that most people are still sleeping on. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below. I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you Go High Level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.